Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about the projection of a line which is perpendicular to VP. In the last problem we have seen a line perpendicular to HP and we have drawn its projection, right? So in this particular problem a line CD 75 mm long is perpendicular to VP and which is 50 mm above HP. So we are going to draw its projection. So what we can do as usual, you need to draw the reference line XY, right? Just press escape, just give naming by the text command. Okay, so here I need to write it down, right? Right spacing will be 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0, right? So this is basically X and this is basically Y, right? So this is X and Y reference line, and here basically VP, so in VP we are drawing front view and in the HP we are drawing top, right? Here you can write down your name as usual, right? So these steps every time you need to follow. HRCE, right? So now again the same thing, draw one projection. Okay, just press escape. Okay, draw one projection, right? Always draw one projection line. Okay, just convert it into cyan color. Okay, for your understanding, right? Now what he's saying, a line CD 75 mm long is perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular to VP means it's basically top view will be in the HP, right? And that will also from XY line. So draw one project point. So from this particular part, okay, just control J. Okay. Just press point here. Okay, so this will be the starting point for line CD and is 75 mm long. So one spacing, two spacing, one spacing, two spacing and three spacing. Okay, so you will get third point, right? So this will be your next point, right? And that particular line is 50 mm above HP. 50 mm above HP means in the front view basically you will get a point, right? And that is also x 50 mm above XY line, right? So here I am drawing another point. Okay, so this is 3 points I have located. Now I will join this particular line for your understanding. Okay, so this is first line, okay, in white color, right? So this is basically the solutions. Now give it the commands, text, right? So you can understand that. Write down the text, okay. Here I need to write down, right? Spacing will be 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0. So this is my basically point C, uh, C, right? And this here I am going to write C, and this is D, right? So in the top view you are not going to write dash, but in the front view you are going to write dash. So this will be C dash and D dash. Okay. So if you are not, it's not visible for you, I am writing on the side C dash and D dash. Okay. So once you are writing all these things, do not forget to give the dimensions. Without dimensions, this will be of no use, right? So I am clicking here and here. Okay, so you can check this is 17. Control J basically, it should be visible for here and here, right? Control J. Every time if you are doing some mistakes, press Control J. Okay. Press this point and this point. Now you can see, you can clearly able to see the dimensions, and here also from this reference point and this reference point it is 50 mm. Okay, then convert this particular dimensions into which color? Cyan. Okay, so this is basically the solution for line CD, which is perpendicular to VP and 50 mm above HP. So if you think on that, you will get the answer. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.